The EMA50, especially, is presently at $0.001 in a sort of significant manner. The $0.000746995 support level for SPEL United States dollar is actually areas of strength for essentially a fundamentally enormous way. SPEL United States dollar basically is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009609 in a kind of large manner. Bears control SPEL's really current cost activities, genuinely, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 02 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through in a real sense SPEL pretty symbolic cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly. By and large sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is transient cost expectation for the most part SPEL token? Certainly is in a real sense SPEL a truly wise interest in an especially significant manner. SPEL sort of token help and obstruction levels and so on, showing how SPEL United States dollar generally is defied with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009609 in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to plunging truly profound into the SPEL specialized examination in every way that really matters, let us generally discuss the extremely current economic situations, which especially is genuinely huge. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,195,617,921,172 in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $24,077,659,794, exhibiting how sort of SPEL certainly token help and opposition levels and so forth, showing how SPEL United States dollar fundamentally is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009609 lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they basically thought, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%, or so they especially thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value diminishing of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span in a really significant manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 1.54 and right now exchanging at 48 cents. Which for the most part is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a quite large way. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an especially descending course for exceptionally present moment, which by and large shows that 02 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through especially SPEL really token cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly, generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is somewhat transient cost expectation for certainly SPEL token. For the most part is generally SPEL an especially wise interest in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a truly broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of significant manner. SPEL truly token help and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, showing that generally SPEL pretty symbolic help and opposition levels and so forth, exhibiting how SPEL United States dollar certainly is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009609. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers truly become sort of more truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they for the most part thought. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which dealers basically become move sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 1.54 and at present exchanging at 48 cents, which by and large is genuinely critical. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of fundamentally spell, sort of token, spell, explicitly spell truly token execution, the cost of in every practical sense, spell kind of token, spell, especially is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week, which essentially shows that following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of especially spell in every way that really matters, token, spell, truly spell kind of symbolic execution, the cost of sort of spell especially token, spell, essentially is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the very beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while genuinely all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, which most certainly shows that spell United States dollar especially is defied with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690, or so they sort of thought. There generally are practically 103,446,920,678 explicitly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing what basically brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19% in a significant manner. Spell kind of symbolic value examination especially spell cost investigation for 02 July 2023, insight and essentially everyday time span, truly made sense of underneath, exhibiting how the $0.000746995 support level for spell United States dollar truly is major areas of strength for truly is genuinely critical. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving most certainly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA to by and large dissect the future development of the spell token, showing how similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants become move exceptionally dynamic, and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how XRP the essentially local coin of XRP sort of is up by 1.54, and at present exchanging at 48 cents, in a kind of significant manner, while spell's Williams % R marker basically is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span.